Okay, now we will see the multi-threading. So in this video, we will see what is the multi-threading, why use it, and what are the benefits of multi-threading in Java, as well as we will create how to create the threads using a Java. These some points we want to discuss in this video. So now we will start. What is the multi-threading? Or yes, what is the multi-threading? Or now we start the topic multi-threading. But before that, we should have to know what is the thread. But before that, we should have to know what is the thread. We can say thread is a sub part of a process. We can say thread is a sub part of a process. So what is the process? What is the process? We can say process is a running program in a RAM called as a process. What is the meaning of this? We can say if we execute the program in a RAM, then we can say it is a process. Right. Means example, consider here. I can say this is a RAM, and if I execute the program in a RAM, I can see it is a process. In single process, we have multiple threads. So we can say thread is a sub part of a process. Right? If you want to see the practically, so see we can see we have an example here. Consider if I write here public class thread app. Public static void main string of x. Good evening. If I write here thread dot slip, if I save this program, thread app dot java, C drive, program files, Java, JDK bin, open command prompt, Java C, thread app dot java. You must be handle here exception. Right? Java thread app. Here, your program is in execution. If we think about the program, so consider here we have a thread app. Consider it is in my RAM. When I execute this program thread app in my RAM, we have one process called as a thread app. So in this process, we have some threads in there. Okay, if you want to see the practically, okay, close the program, open the task manager. And you can see practically. Just 1 minute. But if you want to see the practically, you can see here. Right? I'm executing the program. Java. Java. Here. Thread app. When I execute this program, you can see we have one process. We have one process of a Java. Means we can say when we execute the program, then we have the one process in memory. If we kill the program, when we press Control C, we can see here, right? Process will be terminated. If I re-execute again program, then we can see in Task Manager we have another process called as Java TM Platform AC. When I again close the program, then process will be terminated. So what is the meaning of this? We can say, what is the meaning of a process? We can say, process is a running program in a RAM called as a process. So what is the meaning of a thread? We can say thread is a sub part of a process. What is a thread? We can say thread is a sub part of a process. Okay. So we have a major and important question is what is the multi-threading? If we utilize, if we utilize the ideal period of a processor called as a multi-threading is there. What is the meaning of a multi-threading? We can say multi-threading means if you utilize the ideal period of a processor called as a multi-threading. What is the meaning of an ideal period? We can say ideal period means a non-working period. So consider here, suppose consider we have one process. Consider we have one process. In this process contain the two threads A and B. Suppose consider A having a 10,000 millisecond means 1 second waiting period and B also having a 1 second waiting period. Suppose consider it is our processor. We think it is our processor. When processor execute this thread, when processor execute this thread, right, then this thread contain the 1000 millisecond waiting period. So in this waiting period, processor can execute the B also. When processor execute the B thread, then again B having a 1000 millisecond waiting period, then again processor execute the A thread. Then again A having a 1000 millisecond, then again we can say processor execute the B thread. Means what is the meaning of this? We utilize the waiting period of a processor in a thread called as a multi-threading is there. In short, we can say what is the meaning of a multi-threading? If we execute the more than one thread concurrently, called as a multi-threading is there. Are you clear? Means when we utilize the ideal period of a processor called as a multi-threading is there. Okay. So we have a note. Threading is not a concept of a Java. Threading is a concept of an operating system and Java provide the implementation to thread. It is a very more important thing. Threading is not a concept of a Java. Threading is a concept of an operating system and Java provide the implementation to the thread. Means definitely we can implement the thread in other language also like as a C sharp, like as a C, C++, etc. So if you want to implement the thread in Java, we have the two ways. If you want to implement the thread in a Java, we have the major two ways there. We can implement the thread using a thread class. Also, we can implement the thread using a runnable interface also. There are major two ways to implement the thread in Java. First is we can implement the thread using a thread class. Another, we can implement the thread by using a runnable interface there. There are two ways to implement the thread in Java. Okay. So now in next video, we will discuss how to implement the thread by using a thread class. Okay.